Welcome to the Binary Robot Project, where I'm blogging about my experiences trading binary options using a robot trading system. For more information, please visit my blog at binaryrobotproject.com. Watch me trade and learn from both my gains and losses. In my latest article called The Empire Stock Broker, I explain that I opened an account with a new broker called Empire Options. This allows demo accounts, so I'll be making a series of videos using the practice feature before I begin experimenting with real money. This is a good way to test out the new broker before risking assets. In this first demo video, I'll be looking carefully at how the Martingale system will help us. And this is especially important now that I'm allowed a new minimum bid of $5, where before I was set at $25 minimum bid. This allows us a greater margin of error with a smaller investment, making the Martingale system more attractive. I've condensed a couple hours of trading into a few minute video for you here by cutting the film and speeding up the footage. Let's see how we did. Alright, here you see we're in the demo account. We're basing our settings on the recommendations by the binary option robot. So we're deselecting trend, we're only trading euros and dollars. I'm only doing one trade at a time. And here you see in high speed we're making our first trade, and the first trade is straightforward and it looks like it is going to be a win. So starting off good. Let's see what happens on this next trade. And the next trade is flip-flopping back and forth. And it looks like this one's going to be a loss. So now we're going to see the Martingale system at work. You see how the bid now is a $10 bid with a $19 return instead of $5. So it's doubled our bid. And sure enough, that was successful. That got our money back. So here we are back to $5 bids. And this one's a success. Here we are with another one. This one's flip-flopping. Oh, is it a loss? Is it a gain? What's it going to be? Oh, okay. See, that one, the payback was $5. That was actually a neutral. It was neither a gain nor a loss, so you get your initial $5 back. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see. I think we just missed one that was a loss, and here's another one. Yeah, because of the loss, we're back to doubling with the Martingale system. Now we're back to a regular trade, and that one's going to be a win. Don't worry, I'm going to review the results of all this after we see these go through. Here comes another one. And this one is a win, looks like. A few more seconds. Yep, that one's a win. This one, flip-flopping back and forth. So you get a bunch in a row that seem to win, and then you get one that hesitates. That's understandable. That one is a loss. So now Martingale kicks in, doubles our bid. And that seems to be working for us. I have to say I'm surprised. I've been down. That was a win. We got 19 back on that one. I've been down on the Martingale system, but I can see it working here a lot better. And this one's going through. This one's a win. We're doing a lot more faster trading this time. This one, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That one's a win. One thing I'll say is that in demo mode, we seem to be triggering trades faster than I did in real time. That was a win. So it's making me wonder, is demo mode even as accurate? Is there a reason that we're seeing better results in demo mode than we did with real money? We'll see that later on when we practice with real money. That was a win. We've had a bunch of wins in a row. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins in a row. And that one's a loss. But that's not bad after 5 wins in a row. Now our Martingale kicks in and doubles our bidding amount. So we'll get a $19 return. If it holds. Yes, it did. Okay, you see that message just flashed. It seems like every $50 or so, the robot pauses in demo mode to let you know your progress. And our first trade after resetting it is a win. And we're going to continue on here. Oh, here's another one. That's also a win. All right, so 2 wins in a row. And now we're flip-flopping. And it looks like this one's going to be a loss. So our Martingale should kick in. It does. There's our Martingale doubling our wager. We get back our loss. All right. And oh wait, that was a loss as well. So now our Martingale has doubled again. Now we're subject to making $38, and that did work. So see, the Martingale is working. And here we are with our next one. That one looked like a loss, but we were at a lower amount because our Martingale reset. Here we are, $10. And okay, that one's a loss. So here we are with a $20 wager. Oh, that one worked. So see, it's not getting too carried away, but the Martingale is allowing us to make up for those losses. We'll see how this looks when we do the end results. That was a win a minute ago. This one looks like yet another win. And this one's back and forth. Give me a loss. Oh, that looked like a neutral. No, it looks like when that one settled, it was a loss. I see the Martingale kicked in, doubling our bid back to $10. So the previous one was a loss, not a neutral. That was a win, and that was a win. And that was a loss. We're going to be concluding our experiment here shortly, and then we'll review the results. That was a win using the Martingale. Here's a standard $5 investment, and that one looks like a win. We're seeing lots of wins. And we've got another win. Yep, confirmed. I hesitated a little in the beginning, so I'm not as confident on this one. And that one's a loss. Martingale again. We are getting somewhere, though. We started with, and there's our concluding message. See, we made $50 again. Okay, so now we've seen the demo in live action here, so let's review the results. All right, looks like when I tally everything up, there were 23 wins and 11 losses. Now, if we were doing traditional binary option trading with the robot and we were not using the Martingale system, if we were just still in classic mode, we would have made $103.50, but we would have lost $55. So we would have had a value change of $48.50 profit. Instead, by utilizing the Martingale system that allowed us to recover every time we had a loss, our gains were actually $101.50. So we almost made twice as much using the Martingale system as we would have if we had not used the Martingale system. So I'd say that's a plus. I'm going to run some more fast demos. I don't have a lot of confidence in these demos. We'll see how they compare when I start doing real money. If real money looks like the demos, then I'd say we could have just made $100 in a couple hours with very little risk. Thank you. You have watched another video by the Binary Robot Project. We hope you'll visit our blog. Please subscribe and join us next time. Thank you.